Live from the Batangas City Coliseum, the home of the MPBL's inaugural season champions. This is Mix Gomez at your service alongside Coach Louie Gonzalez and Sidney Crespo on Labor Day. Rizal is undefeated. Batangas Cranial Viloria. Viloria has been piling up his numbers in this season. Had 19 points, 9 rebounds, and 8 dimes in their previous game. Now he scores.
And still continues.
Okay. Drive, turnaround, great patience. Yeah. He scores.
Yeah, favorite move. Etong Batangas ang nag-start ng defensive lineup, pero it is Rizal doing the job to damage.
The first 3, 7 on the shot clock. Cranial Viloria. There's the feed. Apacible. That's good.
Again, they make it look easy.
RJ Ramirez. In and out dribble. He attacks. RJ hangs. Wow, what a bucket for RJ Ramirez.
It's just better offense, but good.
RJ Ramirez, he was brought to Batangas for his playmaking skills. Now he shoots and scores.
And you're gonna appreciate that snake attack of that.
Organizing the offense. Mid-range. And yes, it's another conversion for John Apacible. To John Apacible. Back to Alwin. He will fire. Short on the 3. Battle for the loose ball. Great effort by Marco Balagtas.
Again with Marco Balagtas.
Jay needs a teammate. 4 on the shot clock. Apinan. Baloria for 3. Yes, sir.
And if you are scared for this game,
on the other end, it's Viloria. Great confidence on that shot.
I think that's
end of the first quarter. The score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
Mga laro na meron dito ngayon sa MPBL. Ngayon, imagine, Mix, the quality and the high level of play kung tuloy-tuloy yung liga natin.
Yes.
Coaching staff nitong Rizal. That's why they're just unconscious right now.
There you go. It's all about culture. And it's all about that move for Jong Baloria. 5 points in this game for the Baloria trying to shake him off. That's a miss, an air ball on the other end. Isit forcing that turnover, and it's Ochea with a pass onto Jong Baloria. It's Apacible showing up, and he scores again. He's been making his shots. 6 points.
Itong Rizal.
Apacible is now 3 out of 5 from the field. Apinan almost lost it. 7 on the shot clock. Jexter, the cross. Down the middle. There's a foul. Basket and 1. By the way, I'd like to take this time to greet Mayor Beverly Rose Abaya de Macua, Congressman Marby Marino, Vice Mayor Eliza Cruz.
We know these guys are really capable.
That's a good steal. King Importante all the way for 2.
Again, you make a mistake na nagkakaroon itong mga teams na to like that.
On the other end, rebound, put back, still no good for Govida, but there's John Apacible.
Again, yung forcing extra possession.
Levy, 5 seconds, turn around, one-hander, what a shot!
Yeah, Levy Hernandez.
Numbers for Batangas.
Mahaba pa itong possession na to.
Importante, there's a man down again. 2 easy points for King.
And that's hurting Rizal.
Halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first
players na to dun sa sistemang ini-employ ng kanilang mga coaches.
Balagtas will fire. That's a big-time shot for Rizal in this game. So that one,
hindi ka mag-create para sa sarili mo.
Now there's a steal by Alwin Alday. Can that get him going? Cross-court pass. Viloria, nice fake. There's the layup. What a start for Rizal. Onto Viloria. Great closeout by Ramirez. And here's the breakaway. RJ for an easy layup.
Yung masipag talaga, malapit sa swerte yan
There you go. Yes, we have a deadlock. Under 8 minutes in the third. Levy Hernandez drives. Hernandez with a layup.
Again, nakita mo medyo tentative pa si Levy kasi alam mo hindi doon nanggagaling yung puntos niya Now, that guy.
Finally. That's the first basket of Alwin Alday. Alwin to Cranial. What a matchup against RJ Ramirez.
Wow.
There's the escape. Lefty layup for Cranial Viloria.
He's just unconscious. Alam mo, ngayon pala, meron pala.
Meron pala.
Oh.
Alvin Alday, no good. Batangas on the run. Levy Hernandez, he's gonna fly. Was that a charge? No, it's basket and one. Viloria.
Iba eh.
And no antics. Nothing negative. Just pure competition. Hernandez will score.
And if he stays...
Defended by O'Neal Arim. 5 on the shot clock.
I like that action.
Viloria, great first step. Kick out. Agovida from downtown.
Again, second time it happened already in...
Drive, spin, feed. Apacible was fouled. 2+1.
Again,
Wow.
yeah, tsaka CJ Isit or MJ De La Virgen. Usually, ito yung 5 na magbibigay talaga ng headache sa opponent.
Right. Maybe this could be the new norm this year. Great pass. Levy Hernandez with them goggles onto Don Achea.
Batangas.
De La Virgen, this is a big one. No good. Rebound the Blaza. Put back for Cedric. 4 points.
Area. If you win the rebounds, most likely you win games.
How about Keith Agovida? Just demolishing. Oo nga, kasi napipicture natin yung mga sapatos. 42-41. Here's Alvin Alday. Back to Agovida. Oh my goodness, what a move. He's so crafty.
So kasi, remember, this guy scored 82 points in one game.
Right. At the end of the third quarter, the score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first,
Because how the league had have evolved already. Para bang hindi mo na alam ngayon kung si anong magandang laro eh. Di ba?
don't just stay. Jeric Serrano, kick out. Jerry Pingoy for 3. Yes, sir. Coach Louie, our quarter scoring.
Oo, so we had that big third quarter from both teams. Jerry, di ba na hindi naman madalas eh.
Right.
Di ba?
Oh, nice bounce pass onto the cutting John Valoria, who's now in double figures. Pero laging kulang. So the question is, aabot pa sa punto na sabihin na lang nila na hindi na talaga gagana to. But that move will work for Cedric Ablaza. It's a 2+1 opportunity.
And I think, as you know, sa akin bilang tao, look how JK is defending MJ.
Jexter, strong side, layup. A big lead already in this game. Viloria, nice feed. There you go. Apacible will score, +1.
Again, pero with both teams right now, kasi before, sa ganito, alam mo yung Batangas eh, kasi yung familiarity nila eh. Pero, again, Rizal, you cannot take...
Levy on the run. Hernandez, alley-oop. Back to Levy. And he will score. There's the smile coming from Levy Hernandez.
Again, that changing defense, really, Masters.
13.7 rebounds for Levy Hernandez. That's a big three-pointer from Cranial Viloria.
Again,
screen, MJ, pass inside, great feed, basket and one for Don Achea.
Unselfish basketball there.
Up. They go to the left, Achea, back to MJ. Screen by Cedric Ablaza. De La Virgen, there's the popper. 7 seconds, Ablaza will escape. That's an easy layup.
Alam mo yun, dapat hindi na nag-give up si...
10 on the shot clock. Tough pass. A three-pointer. JK. That's a big one.
Yeah, that's a squared one.
9 points for JK Casino. That's 4 more threes than Batangas. Levy will drive. Hernandez misfires. That's a foul. Basket and one for King. Importante.
Alam mo yun, ito yung mga bonus eh.
Pag in this game. And he's perfect from the field. Conversion 2.5 minutes. Casino, no foul. Good block, recovery. Balagtas fades. That's good. And there you have it. Batangas City hands Rizal its first loss of the season inside the home of the inaugural champions of our league.
What a game this was. And una ng advantage ng kalaban. And Rizal at some point sila yung nagbigay ng run dito sa Batangas na alam natin will always capitalize on mistakes.
This player of the game is brought to you by Buenas, Levy Hernandez. He was the spark plug in the fourth quarter run for Batangas City in this game. Not too dominant in terms of his numbers, but well enough to be very effective for the pull-away.
Special mention also to Jex Apinan. That silang dalawa talaga, sila yung dalawa nagtulungan. Pero Levy, yung contribution niya in terms of making basket, yung finishing a possession, talagang ang ganda.